Hi everybody, thanks for tuning into another video. Today we're going to be looking at something a little bit fun. So everyone loves a bit of Hot Wheels. I'm sure we've all played with these when we were younger, or for the younger audience that are watching, maybe you still enjoy pushing one around every now and then. Obviously they're rated 3 plus. So I just caught uh, sight of these very recently while I was browsing around online. I didn't know they existed, to be honest, but Hot Wheels Mario Kart Edition. How awesome is that? And one thing I did notice when looking at the box is these are an officially licensed Nintendo product. So, sorry, I didn't buy just one. I bought two because why would you not want one of these in your collector's uh, cabinet at the same time? Why would you not want to open them up and play with them, right? Because they're awesome. They look awesome. You'd want to open them up and get your mitts on them. I want my son to play with these and enjoy them, so I bought two packs. So I'm going to keep one sitting in my cabinet as a collector's item, so no one's going to touch one of them. But the other one, we're going to open up together today. And what we're going to do is when we open them up, we're just going to find the cards in Mario Kart. This is Mario Kart 8 on the Nintendo Switch, and we'll find the cards and characters and just see how much they resemble the actual cards from the game. It's going to be awesome. So let's go ahead and start unpacking these awesome little vehicles. They look really, 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 really nice. Cannot wait to get my hands on them. Got the old knife out here. Let's cut away at the seals. Never been so eager to cut away something that probably shouldn't be touched. Right, it's got seals everywhere. Literally, they have sealed this thing everywhere. Almost like they're saying, "Don't open it, don't open it." But anyway, I'm gonna open it. Got another little seal here by the looks of it as well. Right, so ta-da! First to catch some air is Yoshi. There we go. Oh, these are amazing. Look at them. Look at them. Look at the little Mario. Wow. So let's start with Mario. He is the main event all the time in Mario Kart, isn't he? Look at that. Look at the detail on this little car. The Hot Wheels quality that you'd expect. And also absolute replication of the actual kart from Nintendo's Mario Kart. So let's quickly have a look at that, right? So there we've got the car there on the screen. Hopefully you can see that clearly. And there we've got Mario. So, sorry, we've got the Hot Wheels one there, right? So what I should do is I should actually change the wheels on there. So we're actually selecting the actual wheels from the car. So let's find the actual wheels that belong to Mario's car. There we go. Now we've got a proper view of that. Look at that. Look at that. It's a shame that I can't just go into sort of big view in the game on the cart and just spin around the cart. Completely out of camera view, aren't I? Hey, have a look at that. There we go. How cool is that? Trying to turn it around like the game is. So it really, really, really is a true replication of that cart from the game. Awesome. Let's move on to the next one then. We've got next Bowser with his music car. Speakers, sound system hooked up in the back. Look at that. Awesome little spikes there as well. Nice. These are quite soft rubber spikes. They're not hard. They're not going to hurt anyone. I don't know if you can see them flexing around or not when I'm pushing them around, but definitely soft rubber spikes there. Again, loving the detail. They've got the same tires. So let's go ahead and find that car. Let's go ahead and find that car here. So let's go back and select Bowser. I think I haven't unlocked all the cards, so we may not find them all, but let's hope they are there because these are mostly going to be the default cards. So let's go to Bowser there. And let's find Bowser's car. There it is. That's Bowser's vehicle there. Again, have a look at that. How awesome is that? We've got the right wheels on there as well. Same wheels as Mario's kart. Look at that. Look at the detail on there. It really, really, really is a fantastic job they've done in creating these vehicles. You can now see more and more why you'd want one of these in your sort of collector's set because they really are. It looks like they've been created with some passion, right? They've not messed around with these at all. My son's going to love playing with these. He loves Mario Kart as well. He's 3 years old. He's still learning to play the game, but he does love it, and I think he's absolutely going to love these. He hasn't seen them yet. So Bowser, let's move them aside. And next to come out of the pack is Luigi. So have a look at this. Look at Luigi. Look at him. Brilliant. Trying to keep it in focus there. Look how awesome he looks. How happy is he driving his lovely car there? So I think I've got this one. Remember this from the game. Let's try and find his car and him. So where's Luigi? Where are you? Where are you? There you are. And let's find Luigi's car. I'm sure we have it here somewhere. I hope we've got it. Otherwise, it'll be a flop on it. What an awesome game this is, right? That is not the car we were looking for. Oh, maybe I don't have Luigi's car unlocked. No, I don't think I do. What a shame. We don't have the car to compare it to in the game. That really is a shame. There we go. Maybe I need to get playing a bit more. An excuse to play some more Mario Kart because I need to find the car. Okay, unfortunately, we do not have anything to compare this to today. So we're just going to push Luigi aside. Sorry, Luigi, I don't have your car. I really thought that I had this car unlocked. But anyway, there we go. Maybe I've just seen the computer characters riding it. Next to come out of the box is going to be, and the last character here is Yoshi. How cool does he look? Look at Yoshi. So we've got black colored Yoshi here. And I definitely do have this car in the game, so we're going to find that out. But again, look at the details, different wheels here as well. And what does it actually say on the wheels? It says Mario Motors. So if I zoom in there, I don't know if you're going to be able to read that or not. I'm not sure if the camera's going to focus in on that. Mario Motors. Be interesting to see if I have these set of wheels on the actual computer game. I don't think I do. But let's see what we've got. Let's see if we can match him up to something in Mario Kart, because it will be awesome to see how accurate that is as well. So Mario is Yoshi. So we've got black Yoshi selected there as well. And let's go to his car. So there we go. That's Yoshi's car. Let's see if we can find the Mario Motors wheels as well. I don't know if I've got those specific wheels. So what we're looking for black and white wheels. I don't think I have the wheels, unfortunately. There is another set of wheels there that definitely also looks like they say Mario Motors on there, but we don't have the exact wheels, so we cannot match them up, unfortunately. But hey ho, there we go. In any case, let's put some Mercedes wheels on there. This has been a lot of fun, right? Just to have a look at the actual car. Look at the car. Look how accurate that is. Again, they've done a great job matching these up with exactly what you see on the computer game. I like them. I really do like them. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Hot Wheels, credits to you. You guys have done a fantastic job of creating some iconic cars from an iconic game. What an absolute legendary racing game this is. Mario Kart is never, ever going to get old, is it? So there they are. 4 great Hot Wheels cars to my son's collection and 4 great cars to my collection. Aha. So hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think about these awesome Hot Wheels cars in the comment section below. Do you think these are going to appreciate in value once they're no longer available? Do you think these are going to be valuable as a collector's edition, collect in your sort of collector's collection? The tongue twisted there. I definitely think it's going to be one to keep in the box for a long time. Obviously, you're not going to see much return on things like these, but you know, really don't hold on to these things for the return. It's more for the nostalgia and sort of the fanfare of it all, isn't it, really? I really like these. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I won't go on anymore. If you do like the video, please leave a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button somewhere around there, wherever it is. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care and all the best.